Hi guys, welcome back to another new video, and in this video we are going to learn basic. The topics that I am going to cover in this video are: what is basic, what is Qbasic, what is the origin of Qbasic, what are the features of Qbasic, what are the Qbasic screens, and how to download and install Qbasic on your computer. Okay, so first I welcome you to my Qbasic programming language series where I will teach you Qbasic. I will divide this Qbasic series in some videos. I will not teach you the whole Qbasic in just only one video, as it may be 2 to 3 hours long, which I will not able to upload to YouTube. So today we will learn basic, and there are many versions of basic, but we will actually learn the Qbasic. First of all, let's talk about basic. What is basic? So basic is basically a programming language which was developed by John Kemeny and Thomas Kurtz at Dartmouth College, US. Now there are many versions of basic, but we will learn here quick beginners all-purpose symbolic instruction code. Actually, the full form of basic is beginners all-purpose symbolic instruction code, and Qbasic is one version of basic programming language, and the full form of Qbasic is quick beginners all-purpose symbolic instruction code, and it was developed by Bill Gates and Paul Allen in the year 1975. And now let's talk about what are the features of Qbasic. So it is very user friendly, and the syntax or the grammar of the sentence is very simple, and it provides Windows based platform for writing the programs. It is an interpreter based language, and debugging or removing errors in Qbasic is quite simple. Now let's talk about the Qbasic screens. So Qbasic provides us with two screens. One is the programming screen and the other is the output screen. The programming screen look like this. It is blue in color, where you have to write all the programs, and the output screen, when you run that program, it provides with you an exe file, which is the output screen, which provides you the output of the program that you have written in the programming screen. Okay, so this was the short explanation of Qbasic. Now let's talk about how to download and install it in your system. So let me go to my computer screen, and let me show you how to download and install this Qbasic in your computer system. Let's start. Alright, so to download and install Qbasic in your computer, open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. You could use any other web browser, your favorite web browser. In the URL, you have to type qb64.org. This is the official website of Qbasic. Let me write it. Just a second. Click on enter. So it will redirect you to the Qb64 website, which is the official website of Qbasic. So as you can see, we are on the download page, but on the Qbasic website. Here, as you can see, this is the download. Get a download, and then click on latest version. Go to download the latest version. Click here. And it's a short, means it's a very small file, not very big file, but small zip file. Alright. So based on your operating system, you can download the Qbasic. If you are using a Linux operating system, so you can download it for Linux. If you are using Mac operating system, you can download it for Mac. And if you're using Windows XP to Windows 10, you can download it for that 32-bit. Based on your bit, your computer bit, you can download it. So mine is 64-bit. How to see the bit? That I'm showing you. Just right click on your computer icon, go to properties. It takes some time. So as you can see here, I have a 64-bit operating system. If you are using 32-bit, so you can download it for 32-bit, and if you're using 64-bit, so you can download the 64-bit zip file. So let's open that browser again. So this one 64-bit. You can download the 7z file or the zip file also. We'll just extract the files from the 7z file or the zip file. So I will install the zip file, and I recommend you to install zip file, as your WinRAR cannot extract the files from 7z, but WinRAR defaultly it extracts the file from zip. And if you have tick mark on that 7z file, so you can also extract files from 7z file. So I will install zip file. Let's click on it. It'll take some time. Alright, so it's up only 163 MBs, and I have already downloaded it on my system. Let me show you. I will just cancel this one. So as you can see on my computer, this Qbasic 4 is downloaded. So what you do is you have to install WinRAR. If you don't know how to install WinRAR, you can watch this Audacity video where I have in the middle I have told how to install WinRAR. If you have WinRAR installed, then just right click on this zip file. Just a second. And then extract all the files. After you have extracted, I've already extract the files. So here, let me search it. So here, this file, you will get this file Qbasic4. Go there. And then go to qbasic4.exe. And that's all. Now you can run Qbasic, and you can do this programming easily on your computer. So this was that how you can install Qbasic on your computer very easily. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, click on the like button below, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel with bell icon to receive this kind of videos. And in the next part, we will learn about some commands, some statements in Qbasic. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.